Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the SafeMoon token. What's the current price of the SafeMoon token? What's the price is okay in the SafeMoon? In this video I will show you friends, and in this video I also telling about the very important update of the SafeMoon. So please keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you are new to my channel, please like this video and also subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Anyways friends, let's start the video friends and let's move on. As you can see here now, the current price of the SafeMoon in the market is 0.00000962 USD dollar is the current price of the SafeMoon. And on the other side, if you look the price change occur in the SafeMoon, so absolutely the price change is about 3.31% positive. The price change occur in the SafeMoon is absolutely now this time going positive. So I hope that they continue this kind of jump occur in the SafeMoon throughout this whole month friends. Let's see the price chart of the SafeMoon. A lot of holders doing a big mistake at this time friends. Absolutely, if you do this mistake, so absolutely you are in the loss friends. As you can see, if we look the SafeMoon price chart, so as you can see here, the SafeMoon take a very quick jumps. As you can see here, at this time, especially on this time, they take a quick jump, but unfortunately after this they again quick falls down. As you jump, and after a quick jump again falls down friends. So same process occur, same like that. After a falls, there is the jump, same like that, like quick jump, and after a quick jump again quick falls friends. But if you look the every level change occur in the SafeMoon, so every level change as in positive friends. As you can see here, now they again falls down and now again take a jump, and now at this time, as you can see here, especially at this time friends, as you can see at this time friends, the price falls down. So a lot of holders decide to sell SafeMoon. Don't do this mistake my friends. If any cryptocurrencies falls down for a little time, so if cryptocurrencies falls down for a little time, that's not mean then you decide to sell NFT service SafeMoon. So you decide to sell SafeMoon. No, you have to hold, you have to patience. Understood? You have to pay if you want to make a good amount of profit with the SafeMoon. So absolutely, that's the reality of SafeMoon, of cryptocurrencies market, that if you want to make a high amount, if you want to make a good amount of profit with the cryptocurrencies market, so you have to hold, you have to be patient. Anyways, don't do this mistake. In my personal suggestion, my personal recommendation for all of my viewers is that you sell SafeMoon token. As you can see here, the trading volume is fast down. As I told you that a lot of holders doing this mistake at this time, then they decide to sell SafeMoon coin. So don't sell it, and it's time to hold. As you can see here, the market cap and fully diluted market cap as 3% going upward, as you can see here. So please don't sell it. It's time to hold SafeMoon. I hope that the big pump of the SafeMoon are coming soon, and my prediction about SafeMoon is 100% positive friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos.